29107-4 update video. We're moving along on this one. He'll be done tomorrow or early next week. So we'll have this on the market. We still got work to do on the front door, but he got other stuff he got done here. Here's a new, these aren't working, so we're putting new blinds in there, as you see. So those are getting done. They've got the all these painted. We paint them inside and out. So really, and that's a good paint. It's a Sherwin-Williams Pro Clean. So you got this. He's got all this laid out, so he'll get all these blinds put on. He got the door put on here, so this door right here is on. So you can see here, this door is all right here. He's getting ready to put this door on, and he's getting ready to put those on. Moving along pretty good on this one, but he should have this one done. He will have this one done next week. I just want to shoot you a quick update video, let you know we're working on it and getting it done. I appreciate it. Thanks, and have a great day.